Girl, I'm about to have a panic attack. I did the work, it didn't work. That truth, it hurts. That damn, it hurts. That lovey-dovey shit, was not a fan of it. I'm good with my friends. I don't want a man, girl. I'm in my bed. I'm way too fine to be here alone. On other hand, I know my worth. And now he calling me. Why do I feel like this? What's happening to me?
Hey guys, today I am teaching you use the camera. I use Nikon D5100. I teaching you setting the camera. Before tomorrow I will go to take a photo beautiful nature in Chiang Rai. Let's go. This shutter on off camera. This video mode. This light view. This is all mode in my camera. Open. This is mode. This is light view. This is lens. Delete. You look this. The most important thing in taking photo, you open is called root of that. This open this. Root of third and ninth intersection. This will make our look better and beautiful. Easier to compose the most basic composition. And this is way to balance the composition of photography that we can easily practice. First time I take to you the Poopy Room restaurant. Now I see tea plantation and I see point of view. I take a photo. It's perfect. Oh my god. The right side of me, I see the line of tea plantation and I take a photo. Pow! Beautiful. Over here have a flower. It's so beautiful, but oh, MJ. I think this corner is beautiful and I take a photo. Bam! Wow. And I walk downstairs. This corner have a leading eye. It's a great corner. You know, leading eye make the picture look more interesting. The corner I see the point of view is, I don't know what to say. This here. Okay, and I take the photo. When I will take the garden flower, I shoot one of them flowers to be the highlights or dominant photo. And here this photo I take it. Go go go! Yay! Last. I hope you can benefit and hope enjoy this my video. Bye bye. See ya.